Welcome to my channel Luxury Car001. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping creations from Brunello as a 2026 Ferrari F80. Get ready, because this beast isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of hypercars. The Ferrari F80 is a stunning combination of design, performance, and innovation. Built as a successor to the legendary LaFerrari, the F80 takes the game to a whole new level. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, the ultra-aggressive design captures your imagination. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. A razor-sharp lines, active aerodynamics, and a sleek low-slung body that screams speed even when it's parked. Under the hood, Ferrari has ditched the traditional V12 in favor of a powerful hybrid setup. The F80 is powered by a twin-turbo V8 engine paired with an advanced electric motor. Combined, they deliver an eye-watering 1,200 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, a 1,200 horses packed into a lightweight carbon fiber chassis. This allows the F80 to rocket from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.2 seconds and reach a top speed of over 400 km per hour. Ferrari claims it's their fastest car ever, and it's hard to argue with numbers like that. But speed isn't the only focus here. The 2026 F80 also brings a new era of driving intelligence. It features Ferrari's most advanced onboard system yet, which continuously adapts power delivery, traction, suspension, and braking based on the driver's behavior and road conditions. Whether you're on a racetrack or cruising on the highway, the F80 gives you a driving experience that's both thrilling and safe. Step inside the cockpit and you'll find a futuristic layout that blends digital innovation with Ferrari's classic racing DNA. The interior is minimalistic yet luxurious, with a digital display that wraps around the driver, haptic controls, and racing seats designed for high-speed comfort. Every element is focused on performance and driver engagement. Ferrari is also taking a bold step with sustainability. The F80 uses advanced lightweight materials, hybrid electric performance, and energy regeneration systems to make it one of the most eco-conscious hypercars in the world. While it's not fully electric, it's a clear signal that Ferrari is steering into the future while staying true to its racing heritage. Production of the 2026 Ferrari F80 will be extremely limited, and if history tells us anything, it will sell out before most of us even see one in real life. This is not just a car, it's a collector's dream and a statement of pure Italian engineering excellence. So what do you think about the 2026 Ferrari F80? Would you take it to the track or just admire it as a work of art? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible supercar reviews. This is Luxury Car001. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more automotive legends.